The Asha workers of Meghalaya under the umbrella of the Meghalaya Asha Workers Union held the 5th conference on Saturday the 1st of April 2023 at the Jayaushi Lumpulan Community Hall, Shillong. During the event, an election of new office bearers had taken place where the union unanimously elected Meera J. Mirsing as president, Badahun Dakhar as general secretary and Fiona Tingbum as treasurer. While speaking during the meeting, the president of the union, Meera June Mirsing, informed that efforts are on to the follow-up of the workers' demands from the state government on the enhancement of salary, which they had been apprising the government since the past few years.
Kumtu kumbah kisem ki balade nakaliang jonga ngaju alami ki asha bangin letpan ya ka pisa nakaliang jonga state government bakin kentiu mo na marba kisi utang arhajat ka hagshi banai ka basang dor nri kunru ka kasisni tingi soto baki asha jongi kinom la hi bakin imkumta tingi la don hiru ka jingakran bat ki health minister ki balale ki barim menswa kum iba al hek nang tai james angma dia nakaliang jongki kila akular ki ong bangi ngin examine suai ka kam ke jongki asha kalong kumnu dia haden bangi ladep examine ki ong ngin sa aya karai pi bakat no ngin la ban pentiu dia haden katu nakaliang jonga ngala persang bangan budin rega klempoi sai dia kathong jonga kalong pamenta haden bangala ayo ban bat biang kum ke presiden jongkol Meghalaya Asha Workers Union ngan hab ban penken mau ke state government ki jongi halor ki jingya kran ki bamensua bakadai ban pentiu no ya ke jingsiu jongki asha nakaliang jong ke state government
kumbolong menta haduk anu gina nangka long tula asya kadang sa bagi diunyo iki bisa nang sangka
kat haduk menta nakaliang kapending dius te kanom dadon syuhi ho aj kidang don ki jaka ki basa akut kendiat konsot di hakabede bat ke MMBS ngila ayatran state hakabede jong ke NHM bat ke health department ki ong kapisa kala apoi stang bagini pelaj no hi jangan tharaisan kin sa pelaj lu no hi kabede bat kini ki pending dius jong ki sem ki baladam
ika jike makmat bagi asya ki dulu
kajing ka bahakamat jong ki asya ka banongkong kadehi hakaliang ka pisa ka tengka namar kajing trai kala along sebapalan kala ka duty kala along so heavy na ka benda jong ki 24/7 hours ki haban le ka kam ijing se wilong idai bagi insentif na kaliang jong ke NHM tela da ki trai ka kam ki yo lada kim trai ka kam kinom la ban yo bat kupjuru kidon kikis kibaki asya kilong ready bantrai kilong kulai bantrai rai nakaliang jong ke department hi ki health department mo kum ki VHND lada nakaliang jong ki kim laban phai ki staff kum ki NM kabut ki asya kinom la ban claim ya ke VHND incentive te kabut ke jingyo jong ki karir sebapalan de takadau ban nakaliang jong ngi kwa ba state government kanang le ai bakan nak happen he shu ha ka bayadai bat ka jingsiu jong ki asya kana bikin ang la ban trai kampai ka